through the Rockies, Rocky Mountains. Enjoy the view. Rocky Mountains, British Columbia. This is an avalanche zone. All over the place are signs with do not stop, danger, avalanche. All over the place. Do not stop, danger, avalanche. Avalanche. The elevation is 1,200 and something meters. The tunnel is a bit low but bearable. I'm not touching the ceiling. So the tunnel is, let me see, it's 4 meters, 4.4 meters. The track has 4 meters, so it looks small, but I would say that it's not 4.4. I don't know, I have the feeling it's less than 4.4, maybe 4.2. Maybe they put some fresh asphalt and it's not 4.4 anymore. So guys, subscribe, like and take care. Stay with me. Subscribe. Canadian Rockies.